welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a different type of video today. It's Saturday and can I show you Kiki?
No.
She don't want to be on the camera, so I won't show her. But we are actually working outside. We're building raised beds to start a garden. Last year I tried to do a garden in the ground, and that, y'all, I could not keep up because the weeds and everything just took over. So this year we're gonna do above ground beds. So I'm gonna try to kind of show y'all how we're doing it. The kids are not as excited about being on camera as they used to be, so I can't show everything because the girls really don't want to be shown working. And hey, I respect that. They're 16 years old, so if they don't want to be on camera, they don't have to. So, and also I'll kind of show y'all my chickens and just some of the stuff we're doing today. Just a little bit of life on our little farm here. Okay, y'all, we are about to feed our cows, and they are saying, hey, how you doing? But this is our little, Courtney, hey.
I have to get over all these cows.
She's making me nervous. I'm not quite sure what she's doing. But these cows are like, what are y'all doing? Why are you over there?
Oh, by this fence?
I don't know. He said to park by the fence, but we didn't quite hear what fence he was talking about. But there's all of our cows. We're about to put some hay out, so they're hilarious, y'all. You would think we don't never feed them, but we do, believe me. They're just little piggies. And we now have, oh, the bull's over here. We now have these black and white. The ones, I forget what they're called. I'll have to ask my husband and tell y'all. But, I don't know, they're coming at me. Hi, y'all. How y'all doing? Oh, now we got company here. My brother-in-law's here. Anyways, I'm just gonna kind of jump on here and there and kind of show y'all our day. Stormy! Look at our girl Stormy. Oh, this is the neighbor's horse. We were just petting it. Is that a girl horse? I think it's a girl. Yep. She's a pretty girl. I don't know her name. I never ask. Now we're getting some hay for the cows over here. My husband uses his little, is it a skid steer? Yeah. And we take them over here to these little trailers. Stormy's over here doing something. I'm gonna sneak up on her, see what she's doing. Courtney said Stormy snuck up in here. I don't know what she's doing. Stormy, what are you doing in there? What are you doing? What you doing? She's rolling around over here on the ground. Well, I guess she felt like rolling. But we got some of the hay bales out here, and we had to cut the net wrap off. And now my husband is over here. They're loading up a bunch of this manure and stuff for his brother's garden. So that's what all this out here has been, manure and stuff. So yeah. Stormy, what you doing? It feels so good outside. Stormy. It's such a pretty day, y'all. Stormy. Stormy, what are you doing? Stormy, what you doing? What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, he's over there rolling around in it. Y'all see the fit today? The fit. Now we're out here in the chicken coop, y'all. It's been a rough year out here. We had a snowstorm which caused this to collapse and we haven't completely fixed it yet. It's all standing, but we haven't fixed these boards. But anyways, this is their run, and in here is the coop, which I have plans for this. We're actually gonna pour concrete in here this spring. But all my girls, they're ready for some food. Let's get, I know what y'all want. Y'all want some scratch? Let's get y'all some. They go crazy over this stuff. Y'all want some of this? Y'all, Aldi's. I got this little thing at Aldi's. And they're gonna go crazy. Then I sprinkle some on the ground. So we're gonna also go give the guinea and the other chickens over here. These are my little Sarama. I had a female and she died. We'll give her some, or him some, and his girls. And I have a guinea that runs around. It's actually the neighbors. But it has called our home its home, so I always throw its food here. Okay, y'all, I'm kind of showing y'all a little bit of what we've done so far. We're planning to have 6 of these. So my husband has a lot of this, I don't know what you call it, landscape fabric or whatever. So we're gonna put that down so we don't have to worry about like weed eating around all of this. A lot of people that make these put cardboard along the bottom to kind of as a barrier, but we don't have to do that since we have this. But I'm gonna take y'all over there in a minute and show y'all how he's building these. All of this was scrap lumber that he was given, so it's got nails and different things in it. It's not, I mean, you can go buy wood, but we wanted to do it as economically as we can. So, yeah. I'm gonna take you over here, kind of show y'all the rest. So we have a bunch of scrap wood, and Adrian is cutting it 8 foot by 3 foot, and we're using 2 sets of these boards for each bed. So like over here, some of the wood he's cutting, and then my husband, we take it over there and he's putting it together. So I'm gonna show y'all that. Okay, y'all, I'm having to do voiceovers right here because it was so loud with the music. But my husband is taking the 2 8-foot boards and he's connecting them to squared landscape timbers. And he cut those and he's gonna use those in the corners to help secure it. And I thought I was recording here, but you can see he had to kind of pull those boards together with, I think it's that like a vise or something, and he screwed the boards into the landscape timbers. And here's a little shot of Adrian over here cutting the boards and getting them all ready. I'm so proud of him. He's just like growing up so much, y'all. He's like, Mom, quit recording me, but you know, Mom has to. And then now my husband has them setting up on their sides, and he's going to take these 3-foot boards and secure those on the ends, which is what you will see now. He kind of starts the screws in the wood, and then he just starts attaching them. He makes it look so easy. I'm glad he was building them for me because I don't think I could have done this alone. Him and Adrian did all of it. I just kind of watched, and every now and then I would help hold the little vise because sometimes I'd have to pull the wood out on the sides to help him. And there you go, we got it made. I think it looks really good, and it's pretty sturdy too. Okay, y'all. We have been working on the beds. We've got 6 beds, and I'm going to show you how we're filling these up. So we've been gathering lots of sticks and logs and stuff, and we're putting like a layer of those at the bottom, and then we're coming along and we're putting a bunch of leaves on top, and we're going to kind of water these down a little bit. And then my husband is going to bring some like cow manure and mud or dirt, I don't know what else in it, but it's from the field where our cows are, and we're going to put that over it. And then the last thing I'll have to do is go buy some bags of topsoil from like Home Depot. But yeah, so the girls are helping with the leaves. Look at this dog. She is just chilling under here. Look at her. She's so beautiful, baby girl. Hey, my beautiful Stormy. Okay, here comes a load of, we're putting 1 bucket of this in each of these beds. And this is a mixture of like cow poop and dirt. And so he's dropping it in there, and then we kind of smooth it out the best we can. So, and if you don't have, you know, manure sitting around, you can buy bags of it to put into your beds. So that one kind of made a mess. So now we will go back over there and start working on it. Okay, y'all, we are gonna let this set for a little bit until we get closer to planting in here. My husband said a lot of this is really spongy, and so it will fall. I could have watered it down today, but there was really no reason to. We can just leave it as it is. And if it rains, I think it's supposed to rain next week, that'll kind of help. And eventually, we're gonna have to put something down to kind of hold this down a little better. Right now at the end, we have some pieces of wood, and we haven't cut it off that roll yet. So, yeah, I mean, of course I need to do a little cleanup out here and stuff, and my husband tore up the ground with his skid steer, but they're done. This will settle in some more, and then I'm gonna also buy some bags of topsoil to go on top before we plant anything. So my big goal is I would love to have a greenhouse so I could start seeds and stuff in it, but I don't have one yet, so not sure if I'll get one this year or not. But there we go, y'all. Hey y'all, I am actually in the process of editing today's video, and I realized I really didn't close out the video very well. So I just want to thank y'all for watching today's video. I'm going to make a part 2 of whenever I start actually planting my plants and everything into the boxes. So be on the lookout for that. It might be a little while just because it's still a little early in the season, but once I get ready, I will do a part 2. So thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Let me know down in the comments below if you like this type of video, and I may do some more like this. Thank y'all so much.